Hello everyone, today I'll demonstrate in 8 steps how to integrate Unity's Cinemachine camera with Game Creator 2. First, start by downloading the Cinemachine package from the package manager. Second, once done, download and install the Cinemachine samples. Third, open the third person with aim mode scene. Next, either deactivate or delete the third-person controller. Now, create a Game Creator 2 player character. Then, reference this player in the Cinemachine virtual camera settings. We also adjust the tracked object offset to ensure your player is visible. Now press play to see the result, and there you have it. Cinemachine working seamlessly with Game Creator 2. Additionally, if you're interested in adding a zoom feature using the mouse wheel for this third-person camera, you can access a free script on my Patreon page. Until next time.